Choose the right ISP. There are a number of ISPs in Pakistan, so it's important to compare their plans and prices before making a decision. Some of the most popular ISPs in Pakistan include PTCL, Naidal, and Jazz. Get a good router. Your router is the device that distributes the internet signal throughout your home. A good router can make a big difference in your internet speed and performance. When choosing a router, look for one that has a high number of antennas and supports the latest wireless standards. Place your router in a central location. The further away you are from your router, the slower your internet connection will be. Try to place your router in a central location in your home where it can reach all of your devices. Update your router's firmware. Router firmware is the software that controls the router's operation. It's important to keep your router's firmware up to date with the latest security patches and performance improvements. You can usually update your router's firmware by connecting it to your computer and using a web browser to access the router's settings. Use a wired connection whenever possible. A wired connection is always faster than a wireless connection. If you can, connect your devices to your router using an Ethernet cable. Close unused applications. When you're not using an application, close it. This will free up resources on your computer and improve your internet speed. Avoid using bandwidth-intensive applications during peak hours. If you're using a shared internet connection, such as one provided by your apartment complex, avoid using bandwidth-intensive applications, such as streaming video or online gaming, during peak hours, when everyone else is using the internet. Upgrade your internet plan if needed. If you're still experiencing slow internet speeds after following these tips, you may need to upgrade your internet plan. Talk to your ISP about your options. By following these tips, you can run a good internet in Pakistan and enjoy all the benefits that come with it. Here are some additional tips that may be specific to Pakistan. Consider using a VPN. A VPN can help to protect your privacy and security when you're using the internet. Be aware of the risks of online scams. There are a number of online scams that target people in Pakistan. Be careful about clicking on links in emails or on websites that you're not familiar with. Use a firewall. A firewall can help to protect your computer from malware and other attacks. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help to protect your computer from attacks. Be careful about what information you share online. Don't share your personal information, such as your credit card number or social security number, with people you don't know.